ensure your records stay up to date and accurate. Managing your invoices effectively is an essential part of maintaining smooth financial operations for your business. So today's tutorial will walk you through this process in a clear and straightforward way. First, you'll want to log in to your QuickBooks online account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From this central point, we're going to navigate through the interface to access your specific invoices. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical menu. This is your primary navigation tool within QuickBooks. Focus your attention here and locate the Sales tab. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the Sales tab, you'll see various options related to your sales activities. What interests us today is the Invoices section. Select Invoices from this menu to proceed. Now you're in the Invoices area where all your issued invoices are listed. This can include everything from recent transactions to past entries. Next, we need to identify the specific invoice you wish to edit. This might take a little scrolling, especially if you've been active in your transactional dealings. QuickBooks conveniently organizes invoices, but you might still want to utilize search options or sort features to locate the invoice faster. Once you've found it, simply click on the invoice to open it. Now with the invoice opened, you're ready to make the necessary changes. Perhaps you need to adjust the amounts due, change dates, update service descriptions, or correct any other details that aren't quite right. Take your time to verify that the information is accurate as you make these modifications. It's always a good idea to double check any changes to avoid potential discrepancies that could affect your accounts or lead to future issues. Once you've completed your edits, it's time to save those changes. In the bottom right-hand corner of the invoice, you'll see two options, Save and Close or Save and Send. If your intention is to save the changes internally and stop there, select Save and Close. However, if you need the updated invoice to go out to the client, you can select Save and Send, which will email the revised invoice. And there you have it, you've successfully edited an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping your financial records current and correct is crucial for both your business's efficiency and credibility. Make it a point to regularly review and update your invoices to prevent errors. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the editing process. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.